Hi, welcome to Henry's Bird Room. Today, and sorry it took a little while, I'm going to show you the babies that were born this year, my red harlequin. And quite a few of you guys have asked, then why don't I put them in a show cage so you can see how they look like. You know, and thank you for saying that you love my birds. I appreciate that. You know, I work very hard on them. These are also for sale. Okay, they're babies, so they're unsexed. By the way, I'm going to show you and then I'm going to show you maybe tomorrow's show, because right now they're they're paired up. One of them is in a nest already. But I'll show you tomorrow. I'll try to show you tomorrow the red Isabel that I have is half Norwich, so you can see how the progress over a year's time and all the changes that they have gone through. Okay, but I'll show you the babies, and you can see all the babies and stuff, all the red ones, so you can see. Okay, here they go. Okay, these are the red consort and the corona. These are only a few months old. So the corona still hasn't gotten perfected. The color on the corona's body will change somewhat. They will get a little more red as soon as they start changing the molt. Okay, so this is one pair. I'm going to show you the other one. Bear with me. Wait a second. Right there. Okay, oh, one of them got out. Give me a second. Here we go. One second, I'll be right there. Alright, this is the other ones. Okay. As you can see, the consort is a little bigger. These are a little bit older. You can see the corona is actually getting a little more pronounced, a little more, thicker, a little rounder. Okay, so they're coming into their own. The consort is a little bit bigger. I guess it's something in the background of the mother or the father, but this is what it is. Okay, so this is what I have for now as the consort. The other ones got sold. Okay, but there you go. And this is their mother. She's on the nest. One of the mothers. And this is the other one, the mother of those babies. She's on 4 eggs. Okay? There you go. Okay, so I will try to get the Isabel on tomorrow so you guys can see them, and look forward to hearing from you guys soon. Okay, hit that subscribe button, hit those views, hit those likes, check the comments and everything. Okay, look forward to seeing you guys very soon. Okay, bye.